Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to your PC with USB cable. This printer right now is connected to Wi-Fi network, but I want to show you how to connect this printer for us to connect it via USB cable. And before we do that, I'm going to turn this printer around. So this printer is HP Envy6030E. It's multifunctional printer. It's multi-task. Right now, it switched this printer on and off. This button here is for Wi-Fi button. This is power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. The USB cable connection goes right here. I want to mention USB cable is not included in the packaging, but we have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK. But before we do that, I want to turn this printer around. Here is the scanner. Stick your document, ID card, any document you want to stick it on top of the scanner, and okay. And from right here you can see this blue light. Steady blue light means that it's connected to Wi-Fi network, and also from here you can see the Wi-Fi reception. Okay, this button here is information button. This button is for you to copy color, and this button is for you to copy right, copy black, and this is to resume, and also this button here is to cancel. This printer is using 305 ink cartridges. Once you open it up, it will come right by the corner center here for you to change it. If you check my video, you see how we change the ink cartridges. It's using 305 or 305 extra. Okay, now if you have any paper jam, open up right here this section and check for any paper jam right here. Okay, check for paper jam and remove it, and gently close it, and close it also. Open it up right here and check for any paper jam and debris right here as well, and close it. Okay, now what we need to do right now is to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Before we do that, we need to switch off the Wi-Fi. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is switching off the Wi-Fi. Okay, right now you can see the Wi-Fi is switched off right now. Okay, what we need to do is from the back connect the USB cable to this end. Okay, and take this end, okay, and connect it to your PC. Okay, connect it to your PC. Once you connect it, you hear this noise to show you that here we go, HP Envy. Once you connect, it will show you launch the app. Okay, so click launch app. Okay, once you click launch app, it will start looking for, here we go, HP Envy. So what we need to do right now is we need to click add. Okay, once you click add, we need to look for this printer. Here we go, HP Envy 6000 series is online with USB cable. Click on it. Here we go, it's ready. HP Envy 6000 all-in-one printer is ready. So right now from here you can do a lot of things. Okay, you can copy, scan and print right now with this printer. So what we need to do is, you can see get supplier, scan document, shortcut, printable, print document, mobile fax, help. Select scan document. Okay, once you select the scan document, you stick your document you want to scan on top of the scanner. Okay, and once you stick the document you want to scan on top of the scanner, you can select the scanner source is glass, document, okay, is document. Now scan the entire area, then change the color or grayscale color resolution. You can change it up to 1200 dpi. Right now it's on 300 dpi. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is you can actually select preview or start scan. If you select preview, it will scan the document we have right here. Okay, here we go. This is the document. If you're happy with it, the next thing you need to do is click scan. Okay, right now if you want to scan another document, okay, the other thing to do is gently change it. So remove this document, okay, and stick another one. Okay, and once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is click add. Click add. Okay, once you click add, do the same thing, okay, and click scan. Okay, so this is the document to scan. This is the first one and second one. Okay, and once you finish, the next thing we need to do is, if you want to share this document, save it, okay, or share. If you want to print this document out, select print. Okay, once you select print, it will get ready. Okay, so the simple photo print, then you make sure you change it to HP Envy 6000 series. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is to click print. So borderless printing, if you want to borderless printing on, you select print, select on. Okay, so right now it will be borderless printing. Okay, and the size is A4. Now the other thing to do is select print. If you want to click more option, then you select more option. When you select more option, you check if there's anything you want to amend. Okay, then you amend it. If you want to print on both sides, you select print on both sides. Yes. Okay, yes, flip over. Okay, now click OK. Borderless printing, okay. Now then you go click OK. It will save the settings. Then you click print. The other thing you can also do is make sure you select the correct printer. Okay, so right now if you want to share this document, click share. Okay, basic PDF, click share and send it to email. So type email or address of the person you want to send this to. Okay, click send. So right now this document is sending to the email. Okay, okay, so this document sent to email. Then the next thing we need to do is, if you want to save it, click save. Now it will save basic PDFs. Click save. So right now this document, also save it to the documents or download. It will save. Okay, so this document is saved right now. You can also try to print this document out. Make sure you select the correct printer. I have a lot of printers here for Okay, I think this here is, I select the wrong one, so select HPMV series copy ones. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is click print. Right now it's printing out, and the document we sent to the email is right here. Okay, so right now it's printing out. The other thing we want to do is go back to the inbox and check the document we sent to the email. Here is the document. Click it, open or download it. Okay, this is the first one and second one. So this is the document we scan and send it to my inbox. Okay, so this document will scan and send to my inbox. If you want to print this document on two-sided and change the color to black, you can actually do that. So what you need to do is select, okay, go back and select print. When you select print, change it to, make sure you select the correct printer. Look for HPMV 6000 series. It's showing us ready. Okay, and also then go to color, change the color to black and white, and also change it to print on both sides. Okay, print on both sides, long edge or short end, print on both sides. The next thing you need to do is click print. The other thing also, you need to make sure we select the correct printer. Okay, so I need to do this again. We need to look for HPMV. Okay, HPMV copy 1. Here we go, HPMV 6000 series copy 1. So you just need to make sure you select the correct printer and also copy black and white and print on both sides. Click print. Here we go. It's going to print out right now, two-sided and black, because initially I selected the wrong printer. Okay, so right here we go. This is the document we scanned, printed it out two-sided. Okay, and also we printed it out color. Okay, single page color, and this one double-sided, black and white. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. Thank you very much. This is how to connect this printer via USB cable connection. Here's the USB cable. Okay, thank you and stay blessed.